Hello everyone, welcome to Grated. Today let's see how to make this super tasty street style food Vada Pav. Before moving on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grated and click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications from our channel. So first let's make the potato filling. Into a pan, add some oil, add some mustard seeds and let it get spluttered. Then add in some cumin seeds, some curry leaves, saute it. Add some ginger and garlic paste. Saute until raw smell goes. Add in some turmeric powder and asafoetida. Into that add in boiled potatoes. So here I've used 3 big boiled potatoes. Mix it with some salt. And then using a vegetable masher, mash these potatoes really well. Now our potato filling is ready, let's keep it aside. Now let's make a batter to dip the potato balls and fry it. So here I've used some gram flour. Just sift the gram flour to get rid of all the big chunks from it. Into that add in some rice flour, salt, red chili powder and some cumin powder. Mix all these dry ingredients really well. Then add water little by little and make this into a smooth batter. Now add some lemon juice into this batter. And when you mix this batter with lemon juice, you can see it gets slightly fluffy. Now this is the perfect consistency. Now the potato mix has also cooled down. Slightly knead and mix it. Take small portions and make balls. Now take each balls, dip them in batter. Tap out the excess batter from it and drop it into hot oil. Keep the heat on medium and fry these balls until it turns nice golden brown. Now transfer this into an absorbent paper and fry all the potato balls in the same way. After frying the potato balls, I fried some green chilies to have with the Vada Pav. Finally, let's make some peanut chutney powder, which is a must to have with Vada Pav. So into a pan add some oil, fry some garlic in it. Then here I added some roasted peanuts. Saute it for some time. Add some grated coconut. After a few minutes of sauteing, add some salt and red chili powder. Once everything gets nicely roasted, you have to pulse this in a blender. Now take some pav breads and let's assemble the Vada Pav. So cut open one pav, apply the chutney powder, place one potato ball and press it down slightly. Add some more chutney powder on top, place a fried green chili, and here it is. Our simple and easy to make, super tasty and delicious Vada Pav is ready. So definitely try it at home. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grated. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.